let's get started with this social media content production engine, which is honestly one of the most badass agents I've worked on, because this literally not only gets you competitor intelligence within minutes, but also generates new scripts for you based on your brand voice within minutes, and also analyzes the comments of your videos and just generates a summary based on those comments regarding what people are saying, and what you should be mindful of when creating content for your business. All right, so let's get started right away. So for the sake of this demo, we'll start with this. So you can essentially uh, do or put in any URL for any channel that you want, like whether it's TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, or Facebook. And for the purpose of this demo, we'll start with Instagram. So all you need to essentially do is just enter in the username, enter in the Instagram URL, and just click here, run now. This will essentially like trigger the automation. It will scrape the data of this particular channel, store it back on Airtable, analyze it, generate new videos. So like the same goes for TikTok. You just need to enter the input URL, and same goes for YouTube and Facebook also. Just the username and the URL, and just click run now here. So for Instagram, so let's go to this Mail.com automation. So at the back end, essentially, what it's doing is running like in crazy 12 different steps. It's running all these automations. As you can see, they're all turned on. It's running all these crazy automation to scrape, like for example, the step one is where, like for example, if you put in the Facebook link, it will scrape the followers data, it then will update on Airtable, then it will like same goes for Instagram, it will scrape Instagram's followers data, it will update it on Airtable. Then essentially like we will keep on doing this for all of the channels out there. And then for the sake of this video again, like let's go to Instagram. So over here it's step 9, where it's actually scraping the viral video. So not just the followers of the particular account or the particular page, you're scraping the videos from Instagram. So if I open this up, it will essentially run an automation which will get the data, like for example, get the data for this particular videos. Like for example, if we go back here, we go to the videos table, we go to Instagram videos here, it will scrape all kinds of data, like for example, the comments, the duration, the views, the shares, the likes, basically, and everything that you basically need for a video. And the good thing about this automation is that you are not going to be generating new content like this on any video out there. You need to know like what's actually going viral. So this step over here will actually tell you, like for example, like there's no Instagram videos showing here because none of the Instagram videos actually met that criteria. So you can set it up differently for different channels. Like for example, like what I basically set up here, the views driver followers should be greater than 5. The views have to be greater than 100,000. It could be a million, like depending on your industry, depending on your field of choice. Like it's totally dependent on you. So this is essentially what you need to do. And let me just quickly move on. So the next step basically is that once all of this is done, it will also then, for those viral videos, also scrape the comments, the actual comments of those viral videos. Like for example, these are the videos we selected it. Okay, these videos we want the comments for it. We like obviously like at a limit here, you can literally scrape hundreds and thousands of comments as per your choice. It will tell you what comments there are, and then you can set there's an automation that we already set, which is called the social listing tool. Let me just, here it is. So essentially what this will essentially do is it will get all of that data for those comments, and actually use OpenAI to really understand what people are talking about, and summarize it for you, and just put it back on a table, that what people are actually talking about, and like how many comments are, like what are the popular comments. They count essentially means like what are the comments that are receiving the most likes essentially. So this is like a one-shot automation for all of your content needs, like from scraping your competitors' data to generating the video transcripts of viral videos, and then new video scripts based on those viral videos, and then analyzing the comments of any videos out there that you want to analyze. Like if for example, whatever viral video you are actually choosing to analyze, it will analyze comments and give you a summary of what's happening and what people are talking about. So yeah, this is pretty much it. Let me know if you have any questions, and whatever problem you're trying to solve for your business, I'll be happy to help you out. All right, thanks so much.